and suddenly I got an email and there was a link below that says rupees 10,000 credited to your account. So last night I was working on my assignments and submitting them and was almost about to complete. I had just had a dinner, I was just about to sleep, and suddenly I got an email that says rupees 10,000 credited to your account, and there was a link below that. I got curious and wanted to know more about this email, from where it came and what they are targeting to. And I wanted to know what they want from me. I did some research and found out that every day millions of money is scammed from thousands of people through these cyber credit card fraud schemes. By this end of this video, I'll be showing you demonstrating you all the process that I follow to develop a system that will be able to detect whether the transaction is fraud or not, and how I will be doing that. So I started off by collecting data, but the main important challenge that I faced was that data set was imbalanced because the number of non-fraudulent transactions were very high and the number of fraud transactions were very low. So if I will train the model on this data set, it will be very biased and it will not be able to learn properly what kind of fraudulent transactions look like. So to overcome that challenge, I have to follow many techniques. So I started off by following S mode. That helps to become the model unbiased and prevent the model from being biased toward the majority class. So once this problem was solved, there were many other problems that I faced, and I will be showing you that these challenges were very interesting as well. Since the fraud transactions are rare, one way to deal with this is by using stratified sampling during train test split, ensuring that both training and testing set contains similar ratio of fraudulent and non-fraudulent transaction. Here is how you can implement S mode using IMB Learn library. Next challenge that we faced was data privacy. Sensitive information like credit card numbers should not be included in the dataset. So the solution to it was data processing. We have to mask the sensitive data, handling missing values and normalizing features. So creating meaningful feature is essential for model performance. Here we generated a synthetic feature, but in real world, more sophisticated feature engineering is required. Now once we have handled these imbalanced data set and this data privacy issue, now the another big challenge that we faced was feature engineering. We have to identify which feature were very crucial to find the fraudulent data. This could indicate transaction amount, frequency of transaction, and time of day, location, etc. Here we are using the random forest classifier, but you can experiment with other models like logistic regression, SVM, or gradient boosting too. So now we have handled this problem of feature selection as well. Now the most exciting part, model selection. Now which model do we have to select to train this model and predict whether which transactions are fraud or not? We have to try different classification algorithms such as logistic regression, decision tree, and random forest, and choose the model that performs the best on the given dataset. Now we will be using appropriate metrics like precision, recall, F1 score, and confusion metrics to see how accurately our model is performing. This entire process was very interesting and very amazing, and I really want you to try it on your own. So I will be providing the link of this complete code and a dataset to you so that you can try it on your desktop. It is very easy. Just you have to click on this play button and you can see the entire code running, executing, and giving the output. It will make you feel motivated and see how it all works. So it will be very simple. You have to just click on the link and go to the wherever the Google Colab. It is the Google Colab platform where this code runs. So just you can run the code and see the model that I created that you can create on your laptop in just a few clicks.